Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the stuttering, freezing and the lagging error in the Apex Legend or the Revelry lagging error in the Apex Legend. So I will show you the 7 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you need to update your graphic card drivers. For this, you have to just open your run box by pressing Windows plus R at once and then search here for devmgmd.msc. And then click OK. After doing so, you will find here your device manager. You have to just search for the display adapter, just expand it and then right click on your graphic card driver. Click on the update driver. After this, you have to just click on the search automatically for drivers. Now wait for completing this searching. After this, you can see that the best driver for your device is already installed. If you not have installed any graphic card driver in your PC or laptop, then you have to just install one. So you can install the NVIDIA. For this, you have to just open a website GeForce Experience graphic cards. If you have already installed, then you have to just check for the update. If any update is available, then you have to just update it. And in case of the AMDA, you have to just open the Radeon graphics website and then search for any update is available, then you have to just update it. You can also install the Intel drivers, which is the best one to use in your PC or laptop. I personally use it and recommend as well. After updating your GPU, you have to just relaunch your game and this time hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our second method, you have to just right click on your Apex Legend and then click on the open file location, and here you have to again right click on your game folder and then click on the properties in this list and then click on the compatibility option here and then click on run the program as an administrator and then click on the apply and then OK. After doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed by relaunching your game. And in the third method, you have to just again right click on this folder and then click on the properties again click on the compatibility and then click on disable full screen optimization and then click apply and then OK. Now close all these windows and relaunch your game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our fourth method, you have to just open your run box by pressing Windows plus R at once and then search here for TEMP and then click OK. And here you have to just select all of these files here and then right click and then click on the delete. Don't worry, these all are the junk files. You have to just clear these files from your PC that are interfering and cause this error. And now again open your run box and then search here for percentage, 10% and then press OK. Again select these all files and then delete them. If some files are not deleting, then you have to just leave them and move forward. You can see that these files are not deleting, then I have to just leave them. Again open your run box and this time press the last key, which is prefetch, PREFETCH, and then press OK. If you find here the files, then you have to just select all of them and then delete them. After this, you have to just refresh your PC and then right click on the recycle bin and empty it. And right after that, you have to just restart your PC one time. After this, you have to just relaunch your game and this time hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our fifth method, you have to just verify the integrity of your game files. For this, open the Steam library, right click on your Apex Legend and click on the properties. Click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of your game files. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our sixth method, you have to just right click on your taskbar and then click on the task manager and then here you have to just click on the details. Search here for your Apex Legend and right click on it and then click on the set priority and then set it to the high. Right after that, you have to just again relaunch your game and hopefully your problem will be fixed. If the problem persists, then you have to just check that if any update is available for your Apex Legend, then you have to just update it. If not, then you have to just uninstall your game and again install it. After that, the corrupted file that is causing this error will be removed successfully and you will be able to play your game smoothly. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.